freaking evening.
Dude, I got a phone.
What's up, buddy? I literally looked right at you, and I was like, there's a bunch of white people here named Justin. It's probably not us.
I got a phone, man.
What's
I got a
up,
camera.
What you doing, man?
What's up? How you doing?
I got a camera.
Oh, is that my camera? Yes, dude.
Well, she's got.
He's literally been recording. They found me with my camera, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. Today is going to be a good day because today... Oh, hold on. We're getting ready to go to Oklahoma. It's been a bucket list item for me for a long time. I've always wanted to go to the little Sahara sand dunes out there in Waynoka, but it's very far away. It's approximately 15 hours and 49 minutes according to Google Maps. And to be honest, that's a long freaking drive, but we did it to go to Winchester and to Coos Bay, so we can do it to go to Oklahoma to mark this off the bucket list. So Krista and baby Miles just got up. I've been just working on stuff, tinkering with stuff on Patty Mayo. And if you see this in the background, I'll take it apart. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with it. I was actually going to try to wrap it, and this freaking vinyl that they gave me, let's see if I can find it. I don't even know where it's at. Oh, right here. It's so thin that when you put it on something, you literally can see right through, which is just frustrating to me. Like, what kind of vinyl do you want to put on something that you can basically almost see the color behind it? So anyways, I don't think that wrap's going to happen, and I've already pulled the decals off of it, getting ready to wrap it, but whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to wash old P Mayo real quick, pack up, and get ready to hit the road tomorrow morning. We're going to try to meet up with Trevor and Rin and hike all the way out there to Oklahoma with those guys. Not sure if we'll end up meeting up with them or not. We're trying to, though. So first, let's go ahead and wash P Mayo real quick. Guys, we are on our way to UTV Invasion in Waynoka, Oklahoma. Got baby Miles back there strapped up, and Krista. Baby Miles is not feeling that car seat at all. Yeah, so anyways, so we got Trevor up there, and then Chance is behind him with all the IBEX stuff, and then Rin is behind us somewhere. We're currently in Nebraska. I meant to start recording a long time ago, but we've just been driving. Yesterday was freaking rough, guys. I set my alarm for 6:30 to get up and go meet up with Trevor, and then it ended up, it was just terrible, man. I ended up waking up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, couldn't go back to sleep. I slept like 4 hours, and we drove like 13 hours. It was just a rough freaking day, and I was not feeling it. But last night, we found a parking lot and slept freaking great. So anyways, slept 8 hours, felt freaking fresh. We are in Nebraska. Look at that. Corn. Corn, guys. Yeah, who would have thought there would be corn in Nebraska? So we're just going to keep on traveling. We got about 6 more hours. So in motorhome time, that's like 10. Just joking. I don't know. It says we're going to be there at 5 o'clock. So we're just going to keep traveling through this very boring state of Nebraska. Super nice people out here, although I think they are on, some of them may be on some of the stimulants, if you catch my drift. With the scooters, they got a little latte this morning. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. Pinky up. And the lady, she was definitely doing a lot of extra movements that didn't seem normal to me. For just, I don't know, maybe she was just on a bunch of espresso, but there's a lot. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's get on the road, guys. Let's stay up. Why did we stop?
Well, apparently their fuel is not as capacitized as ours.
Capacitized.
Yeah, that's right.
I think that's a word that she just made up, guys. Yeah, so I have 100 gallons in ours. I thought that Trevor had 100 gallons in his motorhome.
It's an 08, I believe is what he said.
Grass.
Yeah, this grass is sticky.
It's stickers like goat heads.
Yeah, so anyhow, long story short, Trevor's over there putting gas in his motorhome just in case. I think he said we have like 35 minutes left. Trevor, where's your tag, bro? In the mail.
It's actually really in the mail.
It's on the roof?
I got the actual.
Oh, okay.
I got the paper license plate in there, but I didn't want to put it on.
So we got Chance over there filling up the tank for him. Such a nice guy. How much is he paying you to do this service? $6,000? $7,000?
Enough.
Enough? There we go.
To be here.
Enough to be here.
We've only got like.
He's not paying me anything to be here.
Sign this weekend. I want everybody to come to this event.
Oh my
Sign this
God,
something.
that is awesome.
So,
Future.
That is
buddy
awesome.
mine, Greg, makes these for us. His company's called There's More to Life Than Work, which is live there.
Craig Anthony.
Yes.
Oh, dude, I love that guy. I just saw him
so
yesterday.
he makes these.
Yeah, he's
And
that
you
is
can get online and
awesome.
order them online.
Is that the moon?
But
My bucket
yeah.
list is
Is that
every
eight
sand dune in America.
I know. So I've got
That's-
sand from probably about 6 of these in my office on the wall. I collect sand at beaches and sand dunes.
What, dude? I like you so much
Yeah,
already,
so-
man. Like,
That's what my kids
So
do.
right now it's
Yes.
pretty even. The sand dune rides and the beach.
I've been there,
about making
been there. I know where that's at because it closed.
Beaver,
when I was
Oklahoma
born.
has rideable sand dunes?
Yeah, it's more of a motorcycle 4-wheeler. You could take side by
It's
side.
pretty small.
but it's
I've
small.
rode there. It's not
Dude,
far
there's
from
more
here,
sand
though.
dunes on there
checked-
than I
we
do.
Check
Does-
that bitch off for you this year.
Yeah.
This one right here, baby.
Yep.
That was the best one.
In case you
I love
guys
that
are
place.
wondering, we freaking made it, guys. Okay, so we're here with Les, guys.
Yeah.
And Les,
Mid-July?
I was showing you the sign earlier. Basically, his friend makes these signs. And I have a bucket list. All of my subscribers know that I have a bucket list to basically hit every dune in America. And they have listed every single rideable dune in America.
But if there's one they missed, they left blanks.
That's impressive.
So
Oh.
if there's one you can think of, you know, our guy right here, Greg.
TNT LTW?
Greg.
That's it. There's more to life than work.
Not to be
baby.
confused with Greg Biffle.
I decided.
So basically, we're going to put initials next to every single dune that we've been to in
All right,
America.
let's see the marker.
I would say Trevor has been to just as many dunes as I have.
All right.
No, actually, I don't know. Trevor's been to Winchester. He's been to Coos. I haven't been to Coos yet. We're going to see who has been to as many dunes as on this list.
So has anybody put together that this weekend we're going to have TNT putting on at the Baddest Racing?
Who is TNT? Your
Trevor
TNT?
and Trevor. TNT.
Ooh, Trevor and Trevor. Trevor Dan?
Trevor, Chad.
Trevor Chad.
Trevor Chad.
Okay. Don't hurt your knees, Trevor. There's a lot of rocks there. I don't want you to
He's
lose.
good at being on it.
You're
I have permanent knee pads.
You guys are, if y'all watch the last video, you'll see that Trevor's got only 3 limbs that work now.
Not anymore. It works.
Oh, it works.
There's just nothing left of it.
Can you guys crazy?
Medium crazy.
Medium crazy.
With a broken arm.
With a, all right, guys, we're here with Lane. We're gonna go rip. We're gonna have a night ride. My first time at Little Sahara Dunes in Oklahoma. I've never actually been to the dunes yet here, so we're gonna go have some fun. I am riding passenger because I'm gonna be safe. I've drank a few apple juices and let's go have fun.
Going through my head like a jet plane, going with the lights on, turns out it started with a fight tonight.
guy jumps. He jumps and jumps, and he can drive. I'm gonna put a link to his TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the internet that people have created. I'm gonna put a link below. This was fun. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
That was great.
A little wet.
Yeah, it's a little wet. That was fun. I don't even know what it looks like in the daytime, but guys, I'm telling you, that was fun. I actually like these dunes, and I haven't even driven them in the days. Final thoughts.
It's a little rough out, but it's so fun as always. I mean,
You can drive, bro. You can drive.
thank you.
He can drive. Like, he followed me in St. Anthony's, and I was just having fun, but he can drive. He's a future racer, I guarantee you that.